Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mind Slowly, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm May.
Let me ask you something. What did you do this morning? You woke up, maybe you made coffee, you brushed your teeth, you got dressed. You started your day. You did all of that. But can you say all of that in English? That's what today's lesson is about. Daily routines. The simple everyday things you do. And exactly how to talk about them in English. This vocabulary is so important. Why? Because when you meet someone new, what do they ask you? What do you do? What's your day like? These are the first real conversations you have in English. So let's make sure you're ready. Okay, let's start with the morning. Here are your key phrases. Repeat after me, out loud. Please say them out loud. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Wake up. This means your eyes open. The alarm goes off, you wake up. I get up and make coffee. Get up. This means you actually leave the bed. You stand up. You get up. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Simple. Important. Say it every morning. I have breakfast at home. Or I skip breakfast and just have coffee. Both are real. Both are natural. Which one is you? See what we're doing? We're taking the things you already do and giving them English words. You already have the life. Now you have the language. Now let's move to the rest of the day. I go to work at 8:30. Or I work from home. Very common today, right? I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Or I usually eat lunch at my desk. The word usually, use it. It means this is your habit, your normal thing. I finish work at 5. Or I get off work around 6. Get off work? That's a natural, everyday phrase. Get off work. And in the evening, I cook dinner. Or I order food and eat at home. Both are perfect. No judgment. I watch something on my phone before bed. And finally, I go to bed at 11. Or later. I know some of you. Now, here is your job. I want you to pause this video right now, or after it ends, and I want you to describe your morning routine out loud, in English. Use the phrases you just learned. Start with, I wake up at, and just keep going. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Don't stop to correct yourself. Just talk. 3 sentences is enough. 5 is great. More? Even better. Your daily life is full of English practice. Every morning, every meal, every evening. All of it is a lesson waiting to happen. Use these phrases today, not tomorrow, today. And leave me a comment. What time do you wake up? Tell me in English. I'd love to read it. See you in the next one.